Hey guys, Dr. Dave here at Rugged Dad Headquarters. I get so many product recommendations from my dad. He listens to a lot of talk radio, and there's some really neat stuff that they advertise on there. And when he hears about something in my field of interest, my dad will call me up or he'll message me and he'll say, check this out. And so he sent me a webpage to a thing called the Dechoker. I realize you're reading that backwards, but that's just the way I'm filming. So that's the Dechoker. And so I called the guy up and got in touch with the company. Let me open this box up. And I said, hey, can you send me one of those for review? My people would probably love, I'm trying to open this up without destroying the box. Because normally I hand the box to one of the kids and it is chaos and bloodshed before the box is open. So I wanted to do this one myself. And so just doing a raw unboxing here, and I'm going to check it out. I'm going to play with it a little more though, so for another video, stay tuned. I'll post another video soon and we'll show you exactly what I think about it. I'm actually in the middle of teaching my kids first aid right now. First aid, CPR, wilderness first aid, and bloodborne pathogens. I'm an instructor in all those, and we also homeschool. And so all of my kids from 5 on up, they go through the class. Of course, the 5-year-old, I don't certify him, but he goes through the class. He knows what to do. I swear, if you walk up to that kid, or actually if he's ever out and there's a car wreck or something, before we go over to help, or if there's a choking victim, anything like that, you're going to hear my 5-year-old scream, PPE and scene safety. And if you've ever been through one of my courses or an EMS course, you know that is the first thing you scream or you will fail. You'll fail the exam. PPE, scene safe. And he'll scream that out. And so it's pretty cool. And so all my kids get certified in all those things before we'll let them babysit the other kids or other people's kids. But all my kids are certified in first aid and stuff. And so this is going to be fun to actually check out with them and see what they think about the Dechoker. And so as for this raw unboxing here, I'm just going to show you everything, and then I'll play with it some and go over it with the kids. I like testing stuff with the kids because if it's kid friendly, if a kid can figure it out, then most adults that I know might be able to figure it out. And so we'll do that and go through it a little more. So this is just the instructions, and so some basic instructions here. Dechoker setup, how to use it, how to clean it too, I assume. And so I'll go through all this a little more later, but let's get to the bad boy right here and open this thing up. Oh yeah, there we go. Now it's actually a pretty big device. And so if you are like me and have, so this is the adult Dechoker. And so I'll also go over some of the other things they make and that they have. Ages 12 and up. But like I say, it's a fairly large device. So, if you only carry a little tiny first aid kit, you may not, this may not fit. But if you have a family kit, if you have a big med bag in your car, anything like that, or like me with 5 kids, we don't have any simple first aid kits. We only have big med bags because when things happen, we either need a bunch of it or it's big. And so this is nothing wrong with the size of this for my kit. And so, like I said, I'm going to play with this some, see what it's like, but this is the Dechoker. So you've got the main device here, this regular bag valve mask. And look forward to more videos. Maybe I'll try it on myself. Choke on a piece of bubble gum or something and let the kids try it out on me. See what y'all think. So, y'all take care. This is Rugged Dad signing out.